Hey, what's up everyone? This is Joe. Welcome to another how-to origami tutorial, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make the traditional origami hat. Alright, so before we get started, I have a couple quick announcements to make. The first one is that it is officially summertime for me, which means hopefully I'll be on a very regular uploading schedule, so I can hopefully get one out every single week so that I can get more content out to you guys. The second announcement I want to make is that we're getting real close to the 25K subscriber point, and I may or may not have a signed or autographed origami giveaway planned for the future. We'll see. Let me know if you guys are interested down in the comments, and let me know what you think about that, or if you have any better ideas. For this tutorial, I will be using standard size printer paper. A4 paper works as well if that's the kind of paper you have on hand. Basically anything that's slightly longer than a square will work. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. This is a very simple tutorial. In fact, it's only about 5 folds long, but it's a quick video that I can make so that I can get this update out to you guys, and so that I can start getting back into the routine of filming. But anyway, it's still a cool, fun model to make, so let's go ahead and do it. So first what we're going to do is we're going to fold in half like this, alright? So across the longer sides. Just like that. As I always say, take time to line up your edges, make sure everything's perfect before you start to crease, and then you can use your fingernail or another object to make sure that you're pressing real hard and making good creases. Alright, once you've done that, we're going to fold it in half again. So we're going to fold this edge over to this edge. Alright, just like that, and fold. Alright, from here we're going to unfold that last crease, alright? So now we have it in this position, alright, so that the open side is facing towards you and the closed side is away. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this top edge, there we go, we're going to take this top edge and we're going to fold that down so that it is just barely touching this center crease right here. Just like that. And good solid crease, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, folding this edge down. Alright, so I guess there's 6 folds in this thing, but that was close. Anyway, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take this first layer on the bottom, alright, and we're going to fold up as far as it'll let us. So it should only be, the fold should basically run along the edge of the paper here, right? So I'm going to pull it up to that edge, just like that. Alright, once you've pulled it up as far as it'll go ahead and crease that. And as you can see, it's only the top layer. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and flip this over and do the same thing. Fold this layer, which is now our top layer. Fold that all the way up. It looks best if you make it even with your other fold from the other side so that it's flat on the bottom. Alright, give that a good crease. Alright, so this is a traditional origami hat. As you can see, it's pretty simple to make, but it's also a lot of fun, and it's one of those things that you remember really easily when you're trying to make something just with a scrap piece of paper or whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I will have my social medias down in the bottom corner somewhere over there. If you want to, go ahead and follow me on those. I'm still trying to keep up activity on those as well, and it will be increasing in the near future. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next tutorial.